Come here. Sir, I caught it.
Who are you? Why you get me here?
I do it. You can do this. I will forgive you.
I can do it.
You can do this. I will forgive you. Do it. Hold up. Close. Alright, do it.
Hurry up.
I need quiet. You go out.
You should. Go on. Let it do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's out. Do it.
Hey, what is this doing?
I don't know.
Hey, Solar.
Hurry up. Can you do it?
You think it's simple? Police, it's not that simple.
Drop it. I'm gonna do it.
Do you think I have you?
Yes. Drop it.
Boss, what happened?
Eat. Eat the banana.
Bros. So you and him are one.
I don't know. I think so. What's this doing? What's up?
What happened?
I don't know. I think it's swap.
Alright, take it away. Go.
The boss, Dr. Lee, is escorting SWAT Rose back to his
Come on,
base.
let's go. Go.
Let me out.
Come on. Go.
As the guards see the boss returning, they come out to
What
check.
do you want?
Hey, sir.
You right.
Dr.
Come here,
Lee
come
orders
on.
his men to take Rose into the
Yes, sir.
holding
Yes, sir.
cell.
Yes, sir. Go. Come on, let's go.
SWAT SEAL X is worriedly calling Rose, but she doesn't pick up. He keeps trying to reach her. SEAL X has to use the GPS to locate Rose. Dr. Lee and his guards take Rose into a room to detain her.
Go. Go.
He tells his men to follow him,
What do I?
leaving only one guard outside to keep
This on,
watch.
this on.
Alright, right here.
Rose, anxious, thinks of a way to escape. As SEAL X is walking, he suddenly sees a guard standing outside a base. He quickly hides and checks his phone, realizing that it's the location where Rose is being held. SEAL X raises his gun and aims at the guard. A single shot kills him instantly. Seeing the guard is dead, SEAL X drags him inside. After a while, SWAT SEAL X disguises himself as the guard. Seal X walks outside, grabs a gun, and heads upstairs.
Hi.
He doesn't forget to pretend to shake hands with the
Where's
other
the
guards
boss?
and chats with them for a bit.
Oh yeah, you yeah. Let me watch. Hi, shut up. Hi you, shut up. Come here. Come on.
Okay.
After the guard heads upstairs, Seal X quickly runs to Rose.
Hey Zod, are you okay?
Sick! Why you come here?
Hey, Rose.
They
We have
discuss
to
their
go now.
plan, and
Come
then
on,
escape
let's go.
together.
Okay.
Let's go.
Dr. Lee and his men are upstairs enjoying the cool weather. The guard enters and
Hello.
chats with the others.
Hi, what do you want? Somebody watching me.
Who is he?
I don't know. No, nothing. Somebody
When the guard
watching me.
recounts everything to Dr. Lee, he starts to suspect something and shows his
No one.
anger.
The fool. Come on, let's go. Go.
Dr. Lee orders the guards to run downstairs and check.
Go.
Rose and Seal X quickly flee.
Let's go.
The guards rush downstairs but don't see Rose anywhere.
Hey, you guys, fight. Come on,
Dr.
let's
Lee,
go.
not seeing the SWAT member, angrily scolds his men.
Come on, let's go. Go. Hey, keep wait. Come on.
Dr. Lee and his henchmen quickly chase after the SWAT members. The two SWAT members keep running, with the boss chasing and shooting at them.
Hey, stop. Fight.
Battle breaks out between the SWAT team and the dangerous criminals. Two guards rush out, firing continuously at the SWAT members. The two SWAT members move up shields and kill one guard instantly. Rose runs away, while Seal X charges out to the guard. The guards furiously fire back at Seal X. Realizing the situation is dangerous, Seal X quickly retreats. The criminals chase after him,
Hey,
firing
keep
as they go.
Yes, sir.
And kill a guard instantly. Dr. Lee and the guards turn fire, using Seal X. Rose quickly pulls her teammate inside.
Sick, are you good?
Rose charges out and Dr. Lee becomes extremely furious, taking advantage of Dr. Lee's distraction. Rose and Seal X quickly escape. Dr. Lee steps outside to see the SWAT members disappearing into the distance. Enraged, he screams and fires his gun into the air. In the end, the boss is forced to return.
Hey, are you done?
Almost done. 20 seconds.
Hi, do you have any food? I'm so hungry.
Yes, almost done. Hurry.
Here.
try first, boss.
Okay.
Enjoy it.
Ah, stop, come on. Oh, very good.
I'm not hungry.
Huh? Ah, you're nutty. Ah, eat it, sir. All right.
Wrong.
What's up? Huh? Hi. Oh, good. Yes, very good.
Finish it.
Just that.
Go.
Yes, sir. You go. No, you go. Yes, I don't know.
Nice.
Dummy.
Sir, last laptop. Ah, I go. Go.
Hi, what happened?
Have a squat. All right, choose it. Go. Go.
Hey!
Right. Go.
At the beginning of the film, there's a scene of a cheerful conversation between SWAT SEAL X and the assassin Jack.
How do you feel?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, this side is so beautiful.
Oh, yeah, I think so.
From a distance, an imposing soldier appears walking down the street. Suddenly, he sees Jack and SEAL X having a conversation.
Yeah, everything is fine.
No, impossible.
The soldier notices something, then he leaves.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm so
SEAL X feels thirsty
Let me get
and
one.
tells Jack to sit here while he goes to get water.
Hey, wait a minute.
The soldier leads the bus to where Jack and SEAL X were having their conversation earlier.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Boss is here. Son.
The boss sees Jack and appears delighted. However, Jack doesn't recognize him and shoots cousin both to quickly take cover.
Son, it's me. Yeah. What?
The boss tries to explain the situation to Jack and Jack stops firing his gun.
What do you want? What are you doing here?
I'm so brother.
The boss steps forward and speaks,
It's me.
but Jack doesn't listen and continues shooting.
Grab me.
SEAL X hears gunshots, quickly runs over and sees Jack confronting the boss and the soldier. Without hesitation, SEAL X fires at the boss. Seeing this, the soldier also returns fire at the SWAT. Jack and SEAL X run out together to attack the boss and the The boss in anger charges out and shoots SEAL X, injuring him. Seeing this, Jack frantically shoots back at the opponent. The soldier is forced to come out and surrender. He reveals his identity, and the boss is to Jack.
Please, it's me.
The boss also comes out and explains everything to Jack to help him remember. Jack starts to feel that something is wrong as the boss and the soldier continue to stir up memories.
Good.
Despite this, Jack chooses to shoot the soldier dead. Seeing this, the boss becomes angry and shoots back at Jack.
Son,
The boss runs up to Jack and scolds him for his actions.
this way.
Jack gradually starts to remember his past with the boss.
Let's go. Come on.
You go first.
Hey, son, it's me. Son, no one. Let's go with me. Come on, go.
Jack had pushed the boss away and was fighting alone against two SWAT officers. Unfortunately, he was critically injured by the SWAT and loses consciousness.
Son, it's me. Remember.
The injured SEAL X tries to grab his gun and goes to Jack's side.
Son, remember.
Finally, Jack recognizes the boss.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Blast.
SEAL X moves to point his gun at the boss, but Jack stops him SWAT style.
We are friends. We are friends. Just no. Please, we are friends.
At this moment, the boss and SEAL X are sitting together, listening to the story Jack is telling. The boss turns around to see that Jack is fainting. He immediately shoots toward the SWAT team, but the SWAT fire back more accurately, forcing the boss to flee hurriedly.
Yeah, you guys, how do you feel?
The story doesn't end there. SEAL X is patrolling the street when the severely injured Jack crawls out and faints. SEAL X arrives to find Jack lying motionless there. He carries him back for medical treatment.
Hey.
Yeah,
Very good.
nothing.
Thank you so much.
It's nice.
Afterwards, the boss and
Yeah,
Jack happily
okay.
live together